The BradyPrinter i7100 peel model printer is required for several special types of printing, and is unique from the standard model because it ships with a smooth peel bar that has no serrated teeth, as well as a lower assist roller with pinch roller and a take-up axle. These enable the printer to do 3 types of printing: standard printing with internal rewind of printed labels, and peel and present printing with either manual button press label advance or automatic label advance. This video will show how to use a peel model printer to peel and present with manual advance mode. To do this, you will need to change the settings on your printer and in your print driver. First, use the touchscreen interface to activate Print on Demand. Click the gear icon to access the settings menu. Then select Setup, then Printing, then check Print on Demand. Go back to the home screen, and you will see that a yellow Live Action button will appear on the screen. You will press this button to manually advance to the next label in your print job when you are ready. You can also change the peel offset, which is the amount of exposed label that hangs off after printing. Use the touchscreen interface to go into Settings, then Setup, then Peeling Off. And then you can adjust the peel-off position as necessary. Next, go into your print driver. Open the driver, right-click, and select Printing Preferences. And choose the Advanced Setup tab. Click the Options button within the tab, where you can change your print job type to a peel-off print job. You can further adjust peel displacement here as well. Then click Apply to apply your changes, then hit OK. To print your labels, begin with the ribbon installed and the print head set to the open position. Next, bend the media back under the peel plate, over the lower assist roller, keeping the pinch roller open, and then back underneath the take-up axle. Tuck the media under the small tab on the axle, being sure to line it up with the media above it. Now, turn the green knob counterclockwise to expand the axle to tighten it against the media in the tab. Now tighten the media to remove slack, and close the pinch roller. Adjust the sensor if needed. Then, close your print head, and hit the green arrow button on the screen to calibrate. You'll see that while feeding, the label will peel completely away from the liner. When you send your label job to the printer, the first label in the series will print and present itself. Press the yellow Live Action button to advance to the next label in the series when you are ready.